Are you wondering how to skyrocket your sales using social media platforms? Well, you're not alone. In today's digital age, social media has become a game changer for businesses worldwide. It's not just about posting photos or sharing updates anymore. It's about creating connections, fostering relationships, and ultimately driving sales. With billions of users across the globe, social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube offer an unparalleled opportunity to reach potential customers. But it's not just about reach, it's about conversion. By crafting compelling content and strategic campaigns, businesses can turn followers into customers and likes into sales. Remember, social media is a potent tool for sales, but it's crucial to use it strategically and ethically. How do you ensure your online sales practices align with Islamic principles? In the realm of commerce, Islamic law or Sharia places a high emphasis on ethical practices. Honesty, transparency, and fairness are cornerstones of any transaction. These principles are not just limited to physical marketplaces, but extend to the digital world as well. In online sales, honesty translates to accurately representing your product or service. No exaggerations, no hidden flaws, just the truth. When selling on platforms like Facebook and YouTube, ensure that your product descriptions, images, and videos are a true reflection of what you're offering. Transparency, another key principle, mandates openness about all aspects of the sale. This includes pricing, delivery times, and return policies. Hidden charges or misleading delivery dates are a no-go. Make sure all relevant information is clearly communicated to your customers. Lastly, Islamic law prohibits exploitative practices. This means no price gouging, no selling of forbidden items, and no deceitful marketing tactics. Remember, the goal is to create a fair and mutually beneficial transaction. Ensuring your sales practices adhere to Islamic principles can build trust and loyalty with your customers. So, how can you boost your sales on Facebook? You might wonder. Well, it's not as complicated as it seems. Here are some strategies that can help you achieve just that. Firstly, content is king. Creating engaging content is crucial. Posts should be visually appealing and must resonate with your audience. Keep your posts diverse and interactive. Use images, videos, infographics, and don't shy away from posting about current trends. This will keep your audience interested and coming back for more. Secondly, optimizing your business page is equally important. Make sure all your business information is accurate and up to date. Include a clear and concise description of your business, and don't forget those crucial contact details. This will not only help Facebook's algorithm show your page to potential customers, but also make it easier for them to reach out to you. Next, let's talk about Facebook ads. They are an effective tool to reach a larger audience. You can target ads based on demographics, location, interests, and behavior, ensuring they reach the right people at the right time. Don't forget to monitor your ads' performance and adjust them as needed for maximum effectiveness. Another important strategy is leveraging customer reviews and testimonials. They are a powerful form of social proof that can significantly influence purchasing decisions. Encourage your customers to leave reviews and share their positive experiences with your products or services. Lastly, remember the importance of engaging with customers and building relationships. Respond to comments, answer queries, and show appreciation for feedback. This will create a sense of community around your brand and foster customer loyalty. Remember, the key to increasing sales on Facebook is to create authentic, engaging content and build relationships with your audience. Now, let's switch gears and talk about selling on YouTube. YouTube isn't just a platform for entertainment, it's a bustling marketplace and a powerful tool for businesses. In order to tap into this potential, it's crucial to create high-quality videos that showcase your products. Remember, your video is your storefront. Make it inviting, engaging, and most importantly, authentic. But creating a stellar video is only half the battle. You also need to make sure people can find it. This is where optimizing your video descriptions comes in. By using keywords relevant to your product and audience, you can increase your video's visibility. Think of these keywords as the signposts that guide potential customers to your storefront. Another strategy to consider is leveraging YouTube ads. These can be a cost-effective way to reach a wider audience, with options to target by age, interests, and location, you can ensure your ads are seen by the right people. But no matter how high quality your video is or how well targeted your ads are, they'll fall flat without a strong call to action. This is your chance to tell your viewers exactly what you want them to do. Whether it's visiting your online store, signing up for a newsletter, or sharing the video with their friends, make sure it's clear, compelling, and easy to follow. With engaging videos and targeted ads, YouTube can be a powerful platform for increasing your sales. Let's recap what we've discussed today. We've delved into the transformative power of social media in boosting sales and underscored the significance of adhering to Islamic law while conducting online business. We've also walked through some effective strategies for enhancing your sales on Facebook, from creating engaging content to leveraging the power of targeted ads. Additionally, we've explored invaluable tips for selling on YouTube, emphasizing the importance of SEO, attractive thumbnails, and viewer engagement. Remember, increasing sales on social media requires strategic planning, ethical practices, and genuine engagement with your audience. Happy selling!